Okay guys, so my Ocean Wave jewelry package just arrived, so I'm gonna give you a little haul. So I've been so excited because the first thing that I got is this adorable bracelet. And something I love about their jewelry is that it's like stainless steel, so it's perfect to like wear to the beach or whenever. So yeah. Okay, look how cute this is. This is like absolutely adorable. Okay, so the next thing is this adorable necklace, and it's like a seashell. And I absolutely love the gold jewelry theme because look at this. Okay, and then yeah, but look at how adorable this necklace is. Okay, and then the last thing in the bag is just this little business card, the coupon code. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.